Welcome to this guided sunset relaxation. This is an opportunity for you to just relax, forget about the cares of your day, let everything go, and just enjoy this natural beauty. As far as your eye can see, it's the sunset on the horizon. The orange blending into apricot, blending into yellow, and just the leftover touch of blue from the day. There are smudges of cloud and birds circling in the air. You can hear the ocean gently turning over as the waves roll in and out. They remind you of your breathing, slow and steady. If you like, you can join me in taking some deep breaths to just further enhance your relaxation. So you might like to breathe in, taking the air down past your chest and filling your tummy like a balloon, and then breathe it all the way out. Once again, breathing in, taking the air down past your chest, filling your tummy, and breathing it all the way out. And one last time, breathing in, taking the air down past your chest, into your tummy, and breathing it all the way out. With each breath you take and with each turn of the waves, it gives us an opportunity to just let go of our worries, let go of our concerns, let go of our rushing thoughts, all of our plans, and just enjoy this moment. As we breathe in and out, just like the waves, we breathe in and out. I'm just going to leave space now for you to enjoy the ocean and the sunset.